Looking for the best whey protein to build muscle, lose fat, or improve your nutrition? Then this video is for you. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 whey proteins, comparing ingredients, quality, benefits, and value for money. Is your favorite whey on the list? And which one is number 1? Stick around to find out. Oh, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to add your whey to the cart. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know which whey protein you use or want to try. Before we jump into the ranking, let's go over the key factors that make a whey protein good. What should you look for? High protein content, at least 20 grams of protein per serving. Complete amino acid and BCAA profile. Low in carbs and fat. Easy to digest, preferably lactose-free, with no artificial sweeteners or unnecessary ingredients. Good reviews and reputation. With these in mind, let's get to the ranking. Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Best vegan whey. Kicking off our list, we have Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. A great choice for those looking for a 100% plant-based protein. This whey alternative is made from pea protein, brown rice, and chia seeds. It has 21 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, and 4 grams of fat per serving. The exact BCAA content isn't listed, but it has no added sugars and is sweetened with stevia, a natural sweetener. If you're looking for a vegan protein, Orgain Organic is the best pick. It blends different plant proteins and has a good amount of fiber, making it great for those with dietary restrictions like lactose intolerance. Just keep in mind that it has more carbs and fewer BCAAs than regular whey. Link in the description and pinned comment. NUTRICOST Whey Protein Powder. Best value for money. In 4th place, we have NUTRICOST Whey Protein Powder, a top choice for those who want a high-protein option without spending too much. This concentrated whey provides 30 grams of protein per serving, with only 2 grams of carbohydrates and 2.5 grams of fat. It also contains 6 grams of BCAAs and does not have artificial sweeteners or added flavors, making it highly versatile for protein recipes. NUTRICOST has good digestibility, but since it's a concentrated whey, it contains more lactose than other types of whey and is less soluble than isolates. NUTRICOST is the most affordable option on this list. It delivers 30 grams of protein per serving, which is more than most conventional wheys. If you're looking for an efficient whey without breaking the bank, this might be the best choice. Link in the description and pinned comment. DYMATIZE Elite 100% WHEY. Best flavor and quality. Now we enter the top 3. DYMATIZE Elite 100% Whey Protein Powder is known for its high quality and fast absorption. If you want a reliable and well-rated whey, this is an excellent choice. This blend of whey isolate and concentrate provides 25 grams of protein per serving, with just 2 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fat. It also has 5.5 grams of BCAAs and sucralose and acesulfame potassium for sweetness. DYMATIZE is famous for its great taste and easy digestion. DYMATIZE is one of the best supplement brands out there, and Elite 100% Whey is a great mix of quality, taste, and digestibility. It has slightly more protein than Gold Standard, coming up next, and a solid BCAA content. Link in the description and pinned comment. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% WHEY. Best popular whey. In 2nd place, we have Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey, one of the best-selling wheys in the world. It combines great value with high quality. Gold Standard has 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and just 1 gram of fat per serving, plus 5.5 grams of BCAAs. It contains sucralose and acesulfame potassium as sweeteners. It's not the best-selling whey in the world for nothing. Besides a well-balanced composition, this whey has a very pleasant taste and offers over 15 different flavors. Gold Standard is a fan favorite. It combines whey isolate and concentrate for great absorption and a solid price-quality ratio. If you want a reliable, great-tasting whey, this is a top choice. Link in the description and pinned comment. ISOPURE Zero Carb 100% Whey Isolate, the best whey protein on the list. And the number 1 spot goes to ISOPURE Zero Carb 100% Whey Isolate. If you want a pure, fast-absorbing whey with no carbs, this is the best option out there. That's right. 0 carbs, 25 grams of protein per serving, and only 0.5 grams of fat. It also has 5.5 grams of BCAAs and contains sucralose as sweeteners. This whey isolate is lactose-free and gluten-free, making it perfect for low-carb diets and those who want the cleanest formula possible. Since it's a pure isolate, it's a bit more expensive than other options, and the lack of carbs makes the texture less creamy. But if your goal is fat loss and muscle definition, this whey is the best pick. ISOPURE Zero Carb is simply the best whey isolate on the market. It has 25 grams of protein per serving, 0 carbohydrates, and is completely lactose and gluten-free. This means ultra-fast absorption with no risk of digestive discomfort. Link in the description and pinned comment. So, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you choose your Whey, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. And check out our review of the best treadmills on the market that you can buy today.